Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Chevy Impala LTZ 2LZ. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 with 305 horsepower and 264 pounds torque. This one has 19-inch wheels. Impala badging on the side. Leather interior, panorama sunroof. Impala LTZ badging. With the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, keyless entry, blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, power seats, wood and leather steering wheel, heated steering wheel controls, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, media display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, heated and cooled seats. This Impala has 91,241 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2014 Chevy Impala, visit us at feldmanimports.com.